Out of the thousands of firearms flooding the market right now, only 12 are actually worth your hard-earned money. Everything else sitting pretty on those gun store shelves is either overhyped, junk, completely outdated, unreliable under stress, or just a terrible value. I'm not just giving you my random opinions here. This list is built on deep coverage from the SHOT Show, expert roundups from places like Pew Pew Tactical, SSUSA, USCCA, and actual real-world range feedback. One shotgun on this list is so utterly reliable that it is the only thing you will want to grab when things go bad. Another option is a lever-action rifle that somehow turns an old tradition into a precision hammer. And the number one pick changes the entire game for high-capacity carry. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 12. Beretta 1301 Tactical Mod 2. This Italian-made scattergun is exactly what serious users keep coming back to when they need something clean, incredibly fast, and truly battle-tested. The tactical shotgun market is full of clunky, slow-cycling heavyweights that kick like a mule and jam up the second they get a little dirty. But this upgraded 12-gauge model completely rewrites the rules with its lightning-fast cycling speed and massively improved ergonomics. It points naturally, runs smoother than butter, and eats almost any shell you feed it without a single complaint. In a high-stress home defense scenario, you don't have time to mess around with sticky controls or unreliable feeding mechanisms. You need absolute confidence. Frequently paired with other top-tier options in must-have gear discussions, this scattergun proves that proven reliability beats flashy gimmicks every single day of the week. It just works, plain and simple. Number 11. Zev Technologies FDP9. Imagine carrying a personal defense weapon that literally folds down to the size of an old-school VHS tape. That is exactly the kind of wild innovation we are looking at here, and it is a total game changer. While most folding concepts end up being clunky novelties that fail on the range, this 9mm marvel deploys instantly when you need it most. It packs a highly impressive 21+1 capacity and comes right out of the box with built-in sights and a charging handle ready to go to work. You're getting off-the-charts fun factor combined with a tool that is genuinely useful for tight storage in a bag or discreet transport in your vehicle. Setting you back around $1,699, it feels like an action hero gadget brought to real life, but the absolute best part is that it actually works flawlessly under pressure. Number 10. Mossberg 990 SPX Magpul. When it comes to affordable home defense beasts, this 12-gauge semi-auto completely steals the show. You don't always need to drain your bank account to get a shotgun that runs clean and incredibly fast. Offered with either a generous 7+1 or a standard 5+1 capacity, it brings some serious, undeniable firepower to the table. It comes fully decked out with enlarged controls so you aren't fumbling around in the dark, premium Magpul furniture for a rock-solid grip, and handy M-lock slots to easily mount your flashlights and accessories. It represents the smart man's tactical choice. Why overpay for a fancy brand name when this feature-packed powerhouse delivers unmatched reliability and everyday practicality for a fraction of the cost? Number 9. Benelli M4 EXT. If there is a sudden bump in the night and things go terribly wrong, this is the 12-gauge you grab when your tool absolutely has to work without question. Long considered the undisputed king of tactical shotguns, it still holds the heavy crown as the most reliable semi-auto on the entire planet. This specific version steps up the game even further with an upgraded Argo gas system that cycles with buttery smoothness, oversized controls for panicked, high-stress operation, and a collapsible stock that makes tight quarters defense inside a hallway an absolute breeze. It is built like a tank. Military forces and law enforcement agencies trust their lives to this platform for a very good reason. It chews through heavy-duty loads and light birdshot alike, proving that true quality never goes out of style. Number 8. Henry SPD Predator. Who says you can't teach an old dog new tricks? This 223 lever action takes traditional American excellence and turns it into a modern precision hammer. Forget everything you thought you knew about old cowboy guns. This is officially the most accurate lever action ever made. It completely fixes the slow loading problem by featuring a detachable magazine, utilizes a carbon-wrapped barrel to save weight while quickly dissipating heat, and includes an adjustable stock and trigger to dial in your perfect custom fit. It even includes a bipod right out of the gate, so you are ready to shoot. Backed by a strict sub-MOA guarantee, it will effortlessly take down prairie dogs or coyotes at a serious distance. Dropping around $2,510 on this platform gets you a beautiful blend of heritage and cutting-edge performance that you simply will not find anywhere else. If you're tired of wasting money on gear that fails, hit subscribe to Guns You Can't Live Without right now so you never miss another brutal, honest review. Let's keep going. Number 7. Palmetto State Armory AXR SSP. Modularity is the name of the modern game, and this short-stroke piston rifle is leading the charge into the future as part of a fully customizable ecosystem. Instead of buying a completely different platform for every single specific need, this genius modular system lets you mix rifles, SBRs, shotguns, handguns, and PDWs, all sharing crucial interchangeable components. It is fully customizable, meaning you can build exactly what you need for the day's mission or range trip right at your workbench. Best of all, it offers affordable, American-made versatility that doesn't compromise on quality or break your budget. You are no longer locked into one rigid, boring configuration. This model truly represents the future of versatile platforms by giving the power of choice back to the shooter. Number 6. FN SCAR 17S. This absolute monster of a battle rifle is built for serious, heavy-duty use and sets the modern benchmark for heavy-hitting platforms. Sitting at a premium price point of around $3,999, it retains all the iconic DNA that made it famous in video games and movies, but now it shoots like an absolute dream in real life. The updated piston-driven system delivers much smoother shooting, a significantly better trigger straight out of the cardboard box, and a very noticeable reduction in perceived recoil. Plus, it comes with suppressor-ready threading so you can easily quiet things down at the range. Whether you are looking at this variant or its 16S and 20S siblings, you are investing in a proven, rugged workhorse that will outlast you and probably your kids too. Number 5. OA Defense 2311 Compact Pro Elite. Getting a race gun feel in a reliable daily carry package used to be practically impossible, but this 9mm compact completely changes everything. Machined from tough billet aluminum, it features a 4.25-inch ported barrel that tames recoil beautifully, high-end Dawson sights for quick target acquisition, and tight competition-level tolerances. It honestly feels like a fully custom, hand-fitted masterpiece right out of the box. Yes, you are going to pay a hefty premium of around $2,500, but in return, you get workhorse reliability combined with sheer speed and flat shooting characteristics of a high-end tournament pistol. It represents the perfect, ultimate bridge between a duty weapon you can trust your life to and a finely tuned instrument that makes you look like a total pro at the local range. Number 4. Smith & Wesson M&P M2.0 Carry Comp 10mm. Carrying duty-grade power into bear country or on the dark streets usually means dealing with snappy, uncontrollable recoil, but not anymore. This powerhouse uses a clever power port compensated barrel to perfectly tame the heavy kick of the 10mm cartridge, all while keeping things in a highly manageable, easy-to-hide compact package. It boasts an optics-ready slide for your favorite red dot sight and aggressive grip texturing that ensures the gun stays glued to your hands, even if they are wet, muddy, or sweaty. If you want to absolutely dominate steel plate runs, there's also a competitor HD steel-framed version that is just as incredible. It delivers outstanding value and raw, unapologetic performance for anyone who needs serious stopping power without the usual handling penalties. Number 3. Springfield Armory Echelon 4.0 FC. At around $710, this 9mm might just be the absolute best bang for your buck modular striker-fired pistol on the market today. It perfectly blends deep, comfortable concealability with serious firepower by pairing a compact slide with a full-size grip frame. You get generous 17 and 20 round magazines, plus fully ambidextrous controls so lefties aren't left out in the cold. But the real magic under the hood is the variable interface system, an incredibly smart modular chassis that lets you mount over 30 different optics directly to the gun without ever needing those annoying, flimsy adapter plates. It is a massive step forward in smart, user-friendly design, giving you a top-tier carry option that adapts to your daily needs effortlessly without breaking the bank. Number 2. FN 309 MRD. Finding a compact 9mm that punches way above its humble price tag is tough, but this $549 gem makes it look incredibly easy. It's a hammer-fired single-action pistol sporting a handy 3.8-inch barrel and an exceptionally crisp trigger that will honestly surprise you. One of the absolute best features is the remarkably low slide racking effort, making it highly accessible and friendly for shooters with weaker grip strength or beginners just learning the ropes. With an optics-ready slide and options for 16+ or 20+ round capacities, it packs a ton of capability into a very small footprint. It offers refined ergonomics that melt into your hand and a rock-solid track record of reliability that makes it one of the smartest new everyday carry options of the entire year. Number 1. Staccato HD C4X. We have officially reached the gold standard for a highly controllable, high-capacity hybrid that seamlessly handles both daily carry and weekend competition duties. This compact 9mm platform features an integral compensator paired with a 4-inch barrel, drastically reducing annoying muzzle flip so you can stay dead on target during rapid-fire strings. It utilizes 15+1 Glock pattern magazines, which are cheap and everywhere, and boasts a buttery-smooth single-action trigger that is pure joy to press. Setting you back roughly $3,499, it is certainly a major premium investment. However, it is built like an absolute tank for serious shooters who demand utter perfection from their gear. It gives you unparalleled flat shooting performance while miraculously staying perfectly carry-sized. These 12 cover absolutely every realistic need you could possibly have right now in America, whether you are looking for a reliable daily carry, a high-capacity duty weapon, a precision hunting tool, an unstoppable shotgun, or just some modular fun at the range. This list has you fully covered. These are the specific proven tools that industry experts keep praising, that smart buyers keep purchasing, and that actually perform flawlessly when your life or the match is on the line. Don't forget to subscribe to Guns You Can't Live Without for more straight shooting reviews, and click the video on your screen right now to see what we're testing next.